In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Odoo website. To get started, open the website app inside Odoo. This is where you manage the look and feel of your site, including layout and design settings. Once you're in the website app, click Go to Website to open the live website view. This will take you to the front end of your site, where you can make visual changes more easily. Next, enter editing mode by clicking Edit in the upper right corner. When you do this, the website editor will appear, giving you access to the tools you need to adjust your design. This is the area where Odoo lets you update your website directly from the page preview, which makes the process much more intuitive. After that, look to the right side editor and click Theme. This section contains the styling options that control your website's overall appearance. From here, go to the website section and click Switch Theme. You'll then be able to choose the theme you want to use. Selecting a different theme can quickly change the visual style of your website, so take a moment to pick the one that best matches your brand or the type of site you're building. Once the new theme is selected, you can begin customizing it using the options available in the theme panel. This is where you can fine-tune design elements such as colors, fonts, headings, buttons, links, input fields, shadows, and other visual settings. If you want a more polished result, try keeping your typography and color choices consistent throughout the site. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how professional and cohesive the website feels. As you make changes, review the website preview carefully. This helps you see how the theme updates affect the overall design in real time. If something doesn't look quite right, you can continue adjusting the theme settings until you're satisfied with the result. It's a good idea to check that important elements like headings, buttons, and form fields remain easy to read and visually balanced. When everything looks the way you want, click Save in the upper right corner to apply your changes. Saving ensures that your new theme and all of your customizations are updated on the website. And that's it! You've successfully changed the theme in Odoo website and customized its design to better fit your needs. Thanks for watching.